Welcome to VideoChef. Getting the right animation company to create the right instructional video for your business is not an easy task. You don't want to drown in a sea of endless offers and just pick an animation creator who created a nice cartoon, but failed to effectively convey the message that your business wanted to convey. We at VideoChef want to show you how our service can solve that problem for you. Let us walk you through it. You'll see we don't create animations just for the sake of animation. We turn your complex business ideas into videos that everyone understands. I'm not a one-man band. We're a team of dedicated professionals where each member is responsible for each phase of the video production sequence. With us, you'll enjoy full control over the production process. Here's how it works. Based on your submitted information, we'll create a story script. After you confirm the script, we start with the storyboard creation. Once the storyboard is confirmed, we start with the video and voiceover production. Even after you've received the video, you have multiple revisions available until you're 100% satisfied. We are online most of the time and available for instant clarifications on any questions you might have. We are VideoChef, and we treat video production like a cooking recipe. With simple but correct ingredients, you'll be able to enjoy a delicious video experience, free of worry, because your satisfaction is our #1 priority. And one more thing, our price might be a little higher, but as you see, there's a good reason for it. Increase your conversions with video now.